Looking to transform the front of your house and make a lasting first impression? Landscaping isn't just about planting a few flowers. It's about creating a welcoming space that reflects your home's character and your personal style. In this video, we'll walk through 9 distinct front yard landscaping ideas, from the sleek lines of modern design to the lush layers of tropical gardens. Whether you're planning a major makeover or just looking for inspiration, there's a style here for you.
The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give your comments and likes.
Modern front yards are all about clean lines, structure, and simplicity. You'll often see concrete walkways, gravel beds, and geometric plant layouts. Plants are chosen for their shape and texture, like ornamental grasses, succulents, or sculptural trees such as Japanese maple. Colors tend to be neutral, with green used as an accent rather than the main focus. This style complements contemporary homes and adds a refined, uncluttered look to your exterior. Classic landscaping takes its cues from traditional European gardens. It emphasizes symmetry, balance, and formality, often using trimmed hedges, manicured lawns, and timeless flowers like roses or hydrangeas. Brick or cobblestone paths, wrought iron accents, and white fencing add to the charm. Perfect for colonial, Georgian, or Tudor homes, this look never goes out of style and gives your home a stately, elegant presence. If you love a garden that feels relaxed, colorful, and a little whimsical, cottage landscaping might be for you. This style embraces a planted-to-the-brim look with beds full of perennials, herbs, and flowering shrubs. Paths may be curved and natural, edged with blooms spilling over like lavender, daisies, and foxglove. It's inviting, a little wild, and ideal for smaller homes or anyone who loves an old-fashioned, storybook feel. Farmhouse landscaping is all about warmth and simplicity. Use natural materials like wood and stone for a rustic, timeless look. Create cozy spots with benches or swings and outline beds with low fences or hedges. Plant classic flowers like lavender and daisies and add rustic touches like metal lanterns or vintage planters. Include practical features like raised veggie beds and gravel paths. Warm, dry climates are ideal for Mediterranean-inspired landscaping, which pulls in elements from countries like Italy, Spain, and Greece. You'll often see terracotta pots, gravel paths, stone walls, and plants like rosemary, olive trees, lavender, and citrus. Colorful tiles, wrought iron, and fountains can add beautiful finishing touches. This style pairs well with stucco homes and red tile roofs, and brings a rustic, earthy elegance to your curb appeal. Japanese landscaping is rooted in harmony, balance, and the beauty of nature. This style focuses on simplicity and mindfulness, using natural materials like stone, wood, and water. Common features include bamboo screens, koi ponds, lanterns, moss, and trees like Japanese maple or black pine. It's a peaceful retreat from the outside world and works well for anyone who wants a calming, minimalist front yard. Colonial-style front yards are neat, symmetrical, and rich in traditional details. You'll often find formal walkways, usually straight and centered, leading to a central front door. Classic shrubs, clipped hedges, and foundational flowers like tulips or boxwoods frame the house nicely. Colonial landscaping matches perfectly with historical or symmetrical homes and evokes a timeless, dignified feel. Tropical front yards are all about creating a lush, vibrant, and lively atmosphere. They use a mix of broadleaf plants, palm trees, ferns, and bright flowers like hibiscus or bird of paradise. You might add natural stone paths, bamboo fencing, and lots of shade for a layered, exotic look. Best suited for warm, humid climates, this style feels like a mini vacation every time you come home. Mid-century landscaping combines clean lines with natural elements for a sleek, timeless look. Use geometric shapes and simple hardscapes like concrete and gravel to create structure. Incorporate plants with architectural forms like succulents, agave, and ornamental grasses. Keep plantings minimal and repeat patterns for a modern feel. Add classic mid-century touches like metal planters or vintage outdoor furniture to complete the look. Balance style and function with easy care materials and smart layouts. And that wraps up our tour of 9 inspiring front yard landscaping styles. Which one spoke to you the most? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more home and garden inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy landscaping.